Welcome back. In today's video, we are trying to create our topography or terrain, or like they say, contour lines, okay, for our site. But before this, let's go to some important tips or tricks to know. For example, I have a roof level and first floor and ground floor level. I want these to appear at the back of this. How can I do it? Should I just click on it and drag them like this? For example, if I drag them here, I'll drag them here, okay? Then I'm dragging this one here. Let's just drag them till here, till it aligns with this. And you can see it's aligned. But when you start seeing it, it's disastrous. This is not the way we are trying to align them or we are moving them. Just Control Z and Control Z till it's back. Let's go to the elevations. Let's go to one of the elevations. It's up to you which elevation you choose. Just select one elevation, and we can see it's aligned to the house. So let's go to the east, and we can see the problem starts here. Let's click on one of these, and these are aligned. Just click on this, drag it till it comes here. Okay, I'm clicking, holding my left click and sometimes holding my wheel. Okay, I'm just clicking on it, something like this, and this. Let's make it like this, shorter, and let's go to the 3D. You can see it came to the back of the back of the house. Okay, now this is what we want. And another thing is that when you might notice is that we don't have any site plan here. You see, in the floor plans we don't have any site plan. So you might think, how we can go to the site plan, yada yada yada. No problem. Actually, why I'm going to the site plan? Because I should create the Toposolid or the topography in the site plan. How can I do it? Is that I'm going to click on the ground floor and right click. When I see this duplicate view, I'm going to duplicate it with detailing. Okay, just click on this. And when you see it's same like the ground floor, let's go to the properties. Don't select anything, just go to the properties panel and go to the view range, which is in the extent. If you can't find it, just click on this and it will open a drop menu, and it's view range, edit, and edit it, make it unlimited. Okay, so it says the cut plane. I wanted to see the site plan in 10 meters above. Okay, let's make it 10 meters, which is it comes to which unit you used. Mine is centimeters, so I will write 1000, so it will comes to 10 meters, and I'm going to apply it to see if it's correct. Yeah, it's correct. Then I'm going to OK. So this is how we created the site plan, and I'm going to rename it. Just right click and rename it, or F2 on your keyboard, F2, and something like this appears. I'll make it site plan and enter, and now it changed to the site plan. Okay, another important thing that it's worth mentioning is go to the first floor and try to create a door for here. I'll create a door for here and create a door here, and let's see. Ta-da! So now what's left is we should now start creating our Toposolid. How can I go? In the tabs, go to the massing and site, and we have Toposolid. We have two types. You can create it from sketch, that's what we are trying to do, and create from import. If you have anything from CAD files or CSV points file to define the contours, you can choose this one to import it to the Revit. But actually we are trying to create from sketch. So I'm clicking on this. Click on this, so it will. Now it says cannot use work plane. This work plane of this view cannot be used. Actually, this says that we cannot create our thing here. Okay, so I'm going to the site plan, creating my, and I'm going to click on the Toposolid, and let me make a rectangle. It's like creating. Just check this one. It's grassland. Yeah, I want to be grassland, and I'll go to the drawing tools. I'll just choose a rectangle. You can choose any of them, and click. I'll just click on it, and I want to be in the center of my site, and just finish edit mode. You finished edit mode, just go to the 3D. You can see something like this. You might say, what is this? It's like a floor and just it's thicker. But if you go to here to the visual style, my visual style is hidden line. I'll go to the shaded one, and my 3D and the topography will be shown. If I go click on the Toposolid, I want to add points to it. Okay, if I want to add points, it means that I want to grab it. So I go to the site plan, and I can click on add point. I want to add points here. For example, I want to add points here, or I can use add split line. Click on it and just use click, click, and just connect it again. Click, click. And you might say, why this didn't continue? Because we didn't activate the chain. Just click on the chain and click again, and click again, and click again. Now you see it's as a chain. It followed it. Okay. So now I'm going to modify to escape from this, or click on escape. It will escape it. Okay. Now I can add points here too. Click on it. And let's go to the 3D to manipulate it, or I can manipulate it here too. So now I am going to modify sub elements. I will click on it. I want, if I click on it, it shows me that this is 0, 0. It starts from 0, 0. I want it to be 3 meters. I will click on, I will press enter 300. And let me see it in 3D too. Something like this appears. And if I click on this, I can just drag it from here, or drag it from here, the other points, you see. But no, I just make it -20, so it will come down. And what if I increase this one? Let's make it 10, and let me make the other parts, change the other parts. Let me make it 30, 30. No, 30 is not too, it's less. Let's make it much more. Let me see. I am going to change these two, and let me make it 200. Oh, it's too much. Let's make it 100. 100. Oh, let me just make it 100. It's too much, but no problem. We will try to solve that. Or let's make it this one less. Make it 50. Yeah, that's how we can create. I'm going to the modify, and you can see my the topography. Okay, this is how we created the topography, and we will explain more about it in the upcoming lectures. And let's not forget the quote of today. It says, impossible is just an opinion. See you in the next video. Goodbye.